Hey, so you've probably seen MyCar, car widgets and dashboard trending, and you're wondering, is it actually worth the hype? Let's break it down in 2 minutes, no fluff, just facts and a few frustrations. First up, the good stuff. The interface? Super clean and modern. I love that you can pick your own photos, icons, and even GIFs for your dashboard. There's also this cool feature where you can set a custom startup sound, everything from classic engine roars to sci-fi electric zaps. And if you're into smart homes, you can control devices or trigger ChatGPT voice mode right from your car screen. Sounds pretty slick, right? But, and it's a big but, here's where MyCar gets confusing. You don't set anything up on your car's display. Everything happens on your iPhone, in the CarPlay settings. And honestly, syncing your widgets is a hit or miss. Sometimes your custom photos just don't show up. Other times, the widgets vanish completely until you restart everything. I found this part pretty frustrating, especially when I just wanted things to work without a hassle. Now, let's talk money. Most of the cool features are behind a paywall. We're talking $20 to $36 a year, and here's the kicker. You often have to pay before you even know if it works with your specific car. That's a risky move if you ask me. Quick tips so you don't rage quit: make sure your iPhone is up to date. Set everything up while your car is parked. And if widgets don't load, open CarPlay first, then tweak the settings on your phone to trigger a sync. Bottom line, if you love customizing your dashboard and don't mind a little technical fiddling or paying for premium, MyCar is fun.